Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about Clubhouse, and this is a tutorial video, so I'll show you everything that how you can easily find your English partner and how you can easily join the groups and houses there and practice your English. So without a wasting of time, let's get started. And also I'm here, if you are here for the first time, that my name is Rahul and I'm here practicing my English communication, and also I'm sharing my experiences to you all. So hit the like button if you like it, like this video, watch till the end before, and also subscribe my channel, it will help me. So I start my phone recording, so then it can be more easy for you. So first I am going my Clubhouse. Okay, so first thing, this is a interface. So for the first time, you can if you don't have Clubhouse, download this app on your Android phone, on your iOS phone, whatever, like you can easily download it from any app store and Play Store. So first thing, when you download this app, make your profile like this, like I am making this. Okay, this is my profile. And after, when you make your profile, go to the search bar, because you can see this is my houses, and you will not having you will not have this kind of houses, because you will hear for the first time. So just tip the icon bar, search icon, and search English practice. When you search, when you write English practice, you will find all the houses. And I'll tell you, houses means groups. Okay, in the Clubhouse usually people are saying houses to groups. So all the houses and groups you can easily tip on the member, because I'm already member of it. So this is the thing, so you can just tip and join, tip the join icon, and and be the part of that houses. So many houses you can easily find, because people are here for their English communication, and also people, not everybody is here to practice their English. A lot of people are here also talking to each other about something irrelevant to us, by with for not them, they are talking in some bad way also. So I'm just tell you that this is also happening here. So but focus on the good things, and what think about your intention, what is your intention to use this app. So do this, and also use it carefully. Don't tap any kind of links, or don't share your OTP or number here. Okay, so this is a global app, so people are here from worldwide, so just be safe. Okay, so this is my houses, and when you join the houses, you will see all the houses here. Okay, so this is houses main interface. You can also start talking with the people. Just tip the mic bar, mic icon, and you can just tip and talk to people that how are you guys, I'm here. If anyone wants to talk to me, just go it go go for it. So this send to all of your friends. And first thing, if you want to start, if you want to type a message to anyone, okay, this is my people, this is my houses, and this is my all the things. So this is happening, and after, when you want to go live, so you can easily go live. Now I'm live. Okay, but nobody is here. I can also invite my all the friends, invite friends, people, okay, easily. So this is the thing, I'm live with from myself, like from my side. So this is the thing, and room. Okay, rooms. So, and this is my houses, and tip the icon bar. You when you join all the houses, you can also go for whatever, like if you want to know that which is the houses is going on live, so tip the icon, search icon bar, and also search the globe bar. You can easily globe icon, and just tip the icon, and you will find all the houses that going on live. Okay, speaking now, speaking now, speaking now, speaking now. So these are kind of things usually happening. Okay, and the third icon is about friends. Make friends. If you want to make friends, just add, swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, swipe right. If you don't want to add friend, swipe left. This is totally up to you. And the last one is private talks. For private talks, you can, when you are in a group and you will find someone that good for you, that you can easily talk with them in private section. So these are my private section. Okay, and you can easily recognize who's live now, so with the green bar or green icon. Okay, so this is the thing, this is my like houses. So now I will tell you that how you can talk to anyone. So you can just tip any kind of like houses and join. These girls don't talk, I think. I know because I'm using, wait, English cafe, kind conversation. Okay, now you can just tip, and this is a house where two people are talking to each other.
Rahim, what's
And
your problem with
please
Indians?
invite me. Okay, you can easily here see here that please join wants to hear from you. So just join. If you don't want to
It's
join,
the Americans that are bombing.
join. I join now.
Why do you think Indians are the enemy?
Hello.
Americans.
Hi, please.
Who's this?
Me, Rahul. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, brother. Where are you from?
I'm from Kerala, brother. Kerala.
Okay, good. I'm from North India, Rajasthan.
New Delhi.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Yeah, I used to live in New Delhi.
Oh, good. What's the experience? What's your experience with?
New Delhi.
Hmm.
It was great. It was great. It was different from where I'm from. I'm from Kerala.
Oh,
But
good.
it was amazing.
You can tip the mic bar here. He's from Kerala and one other. Okay,
Have
brother.
you been to South? Have you been to the South?
No, I don't went there. Like I didn't went there, but I will.
Go there.
Yeah, I will in future. Actually,
Wonderful.
yeah, I'm recording my video to know my subscribers that how to use Clubhouse and how to, it's kind of tutorial video. I'm a YouTuber.
So this is going to be online?
Yeah, yes, for like education purpose, not just kind of thing.
I see.
Okay, nice talk to you,
Okay,
brother.
sure. Yeah.
I'll join you after this video.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is the thing I talked, and you can easily talk to anyone here. So, and find the people. Okay, so I think this is enough for, and you can also tip the icon, bell icon bar, and I mean, like recently I talk with her, him, sorry, with him, and just tip friend request. Okay, so this is the thing usually happening. Like you can easily find partners. It's not a big deal. I think it's good. It's enough for today. Stop recording. Okay. My recording is saved. Actually, I record this video twice again because my recording doesn't like work. Didn't work. So I think if you are watching till now, thank you so much, guys. It means a lot, and I'm here just providing you the information that how you can find your partner, English partner on Clubhouse, and how you can use this app as a for practice your English communication. It's a wonderful app, guys. I have been using this app for around like 1.5 years, and this is wonderful. This is not a like kind of, usually people are saying that Clubhouse is not, because there is not only people who are talking to each other in English or practice their English. Is there people are also talking about some other topics. Okay, so make sure that it's your work, and do it as a work, do it as a to upgrade your skill. Okay, thank you so much. If you're watching till now, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.